Okay, so to begin, you will need your alcohol or other cleaning supply. You can use good old-fashioned soap and water, a paper towel or microfiber cloth. As you see, my alcohol dripped on my paper towel. You will need a burnishing tool, a credit card, or something to adhere your vinyl. You will need your surface. In this case, I will be demonstrating on a glass tile, which you'll find out later is a tad too small. And lastly, you will need your vinyl decal sticker. Okay, let's get started. First, take your alcohol or your cleaning supply and dampen your paper towel or your microfiber cloth. Next, you will take that and you will clean the surface very well. Be sure to get off any fuzzies or fingerprints or any pieces of dirt that you see on the surface. And then you can fold that piece of paper or your towel over and you can lightly dry that surface as well. Next, take your vinyl decal and your burnishing tool and run your burnishing tool over the top of the decal. Note, you should be on the front side of the decal where the clear transfer tape is. So your decal should be the right side facing up. If you don't have a burnishing tool or a card scraper, you can always use a credit card. Here, I'm using a business card in place of a credit card just for demonstration purposes, but a business card is way too flimsy. Okay, now that we've finished that, turn your design over with the clear transfer tape facing down. As you'll see here, I will peel the carrier sheet or that white paper sheet on the back off. And I've brought this into camera view for a closer view at what I'm doing. But you'll slowly and carefully peel from the corner, and as you see, I'm peeling from an angle. Peeling from an angle helps the letters or your design stay adhered to the transfer tape better. As you see here, my design has 2 pieces of carrier paper on the back. That's fine. Just be sure to slowly peel it off and make sure that you have all of your small pieces and parts still attached to your clear transfer tape. Okay, now that we've done that, we're checking it over to make sure that all of our letters are still stuck on, everything looks good, and now we'll get ready to attach it to our surface. Checking that the surface is completely dry, you will turn your transfer tape over with the right side of your design facing you and hover over the placement on your surface that you want to place your design. Be careful. Once it's stuck, it's stuck. Take your finger or your burnishing tool, card scraper, or what have you, and go from center out, pressing the letters or the parts of your design carefully onto your surface. This will help the letters or your design adhere to your surface so that when we take the transfer tape off, they don't come off with it. Up here on the top edge is where I'm going to have a problem. Just wait and see. Okay, now peeling from the bottom corner, slowly, just as we did before, peel the clear transfer tape from your design. Be careful not to take any pieces of your design with the transfer tape. Your design should be left on the surface that you're adhering it to. As you can see here, one of my letters started to peel up. Simply press your transfer tape back down over the letter and press along the top of the transfer tape just over the letter that started to peel up, and try to peel the transfer tape again. Slow and steady wins the race here. My glass tile was a tad bit too small for the size of this design, unfortunately. So I had a little bit of trouble trying to get some of the letters at the top, but you get the idea. Okay, now that we've got the transfer tape off, our design is now adhered to our surface. You should be able to run your finger along the top and verify that everything is stuck down and ready to go. If for any reason it is not completely adhered, simply place your transfer tape back over the top and go back over it with your burnishing tool, your card scraper, or your credit card. You're done. Now you have a beautiful decal on your vehicle or wherever you chose to place it. Enjoy!